hapon, teammates. Ako si Sheila Salaysay at ito ang PTV Sports. Encouraging every Filipino to be happy and healthy with Meg Sioson sa Live Better. Adventure ba ang hanap nyo? Samahan niyo ako sa Sports Trip. Pilipinas ay hindi lamang kilala sa pristine beaches but also blessed with majestic mountains and forest. Dito sa Baras Rizal, may isang extraordinary destination that stands out for its unique blend of adventure, conservation, and breathtaking scenery. Ako si Sheila Salaysay and let's appreciate this paradise and be one with nature dito sa Sports Trip. Here with me is the operations manager of Masungi Geo Reserve, Miss Daphne Conanan. Hi, Miss Daphne.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Miss Daphne, what is the story behind Masungi Geo Reserve?
So when our founders saw this place, they immediately took action and made way for this area to be truly conserved and protected. We started to open this place to the public in 2015. In 2017, we accepted the challenge of doing further reforestation work on the areas alongside Masungi and funded it through our own savings. This is through the Masungi Geopark project. It is 2,300 hectares in size and it is a part of a critical watershed which is the Upper Marikina watershed.
Ano ba yung mga trail spots dito sa Masungi? Ano yung mga makikita natin dito?
Here in the Discovery Trail, we have 5 major rope courses and we have 2 limestone rock peaks. So we have the Lambat, which is a 3 to 4 meters climb up, and we have the Duyan, Ditche, and Patak. So the Duyan is a hammock. Actually, it's an 80-meter long hammock. Actually, one of the longest that can be found here in Asia. And we have the Bayawag, that is a more than 40-meter climb down. And we have the Tatay and the Nanay, our peaks. So the Tatay is 600 meter above sea level, and that is the highest peak here at the Discovery Trail. We are advocating for the conservation and the protection of our nature and for the protection of our wildlife that we have here.
Masungi Geo Reserve is a conservation area situated in the southern Sierra Madre Range in Baras. Ito ay kilala sa unique geological formations, rugged limestones, matatarik na slopes at forest. Isa sa pwedeng ma-experience dito ay ang Legacy Trail na matatapos ng 4 to 6 hours. Ideal for naturalists or interested in reforestation at ang Discovery Trail. This terrain includes rope courses, suspended bridges, steps, and rest areas. At dahil ito ang first time kong mag-hike, excited ako dahil kasama ko si Miss Isabel, si Justin ang aming editor, and some of my closest friends, Dines and Vince. Bago magsimula, may orientation sa silungan conducted by Miss Daphne on necessary information for visitors. Ang salitang masungi ay galing sa sungki-sungki o hindi pantay-pantay, and this inspiration came from the rocks inside the Geo Reserve. Pero syempre, you need to wear headgear for safety throughout the hike. After the orientation, pinakilala kami kay Ma'am Jocelyn, ang park ranger na makakasama namin who will be providing a deeper understanding of Discovery Trail. This is also known as the Pocket Trail, a 3 to 4 hour trek. At ano pa nga ang hinihintay natin? Simula na ang adventure! Kailangan mag-ingat sa paghawak ng mga bato dahil matatalas at matulis ang mga ito. Nandito na tayo sa unang challenge, ang lambat. Hindi pa naman ito kataasan kaya carry pa. At hindi nagpahuli si Miss Isabel. Fear of heights conquered. At sumunod ang aking walang takot na friend, si Dines. Ang Geo Reserve ay tahanan ng mahigit sa 400 species ng flora at fauna at ito ang isa sa mga ito. Mahirap ang mag-hike pero nawawala ang pagod sa mga banat ni Miss Jocelyn katulad nito.
Ang balete po, sabi ng mga tatanda, tinitirahan daw ng white lady o black lady. Pero dito po bawal yung kapre. Kasi bawal manigarilyo po. Okay.
Ang pathway o ang dinadaanan sa loob ng Geo Reserve ay inayos pero lahat ng mga bato at nasa paligid nito ay hindi ginalaw. Hindi mapapansin ang oras dito dahil maa-amaze ka talaga sa ganda ng paligid. Matapos ang ilang minuto, ito ang bumulaga sa amin.
Itong tinatawag nilang Sapot ni Rick. This was named after a park ranger who discovered this area. At kapag hapon, marami daw ditong gagamba. Kaya they designed this place like a spider web.
At ito na naman ang takot ko sa heights. We were given a few minutes to enjoy ang ganda ng paligid at ma-appreciate ang view. Ayaw pa sana naming umalis pero on to the next. Ito na ang hanging bridge, ang magiging daan namin papunta sa susunod na parte ng trail. Tindi na naman ang hawa ko sa gilid dahil sa takot ko sa heights. Next stop, ipinakita sa amin ni Park Ranger Jocelyn ang isang bahagi kung saan madaming puno ang naputol, kasama na dito ang 100-year-old na punong ito. Ang pagtatanim ng puno ay isa sa mga goals ng GE Reserve para maisalba ang krisis ng biodiversity. Sa totoo lang, hinanda ko talaga ang sarili ko mentally, pero iba pa din ang nangyayari, katulad dito sa Bayawak. This is a 24 feet high steep rope course named after the largest monitor lizard found in the Philippines. Dito talaga nasubukan ng tapang ko, pero wala eh.
Akala ko yung Sapot ni Rick na yung mas adventure, pero etong Bayawak ang mas nakakatakot. It's a 24 feet net na akala ko ganun kadali, pero umiyak na ako pababa dito because of my fear of heights. At ito namang mga kasama ko, akala mo naman na mas matatapang pa sa akin.
Ang dadaanan naman natin ngayon ay tinatawag nilang sawa. It's a biomimicry of a snake. So the whole hanging bridge is mukha siyang sawa.
Itong hanging bridge na ito na korteng sawa. It connects the end point and starting point of the trail. Climb into its mouth, walk through its belly, and exit through its tail. Hindi maikakaila ang kahanga-hangang ganda ng kalikasan na mayroon tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Ang tumatak sa akin dito ay all their policies revolve around the word respect. Sana makiisa tayo na manatili itong isang sanctuary para sa mga susunod pang henerasyon. Masungi GE Reserve isn't just your typical park that showcases the raw beauty of nature. Kaya nangangailangan ng continuous effort para maprotektahan ito. Whether you are passionate for nature or seeking adventure, this place provides an unforgettable experience for everyone. Kaya next week ulit, sama na dahil dito sa Sports Trip, ano man o saan man, G tayo.